Are you ready to turn your passion for videos into a professional skill? At Transform Academy, we bring you Mastering Video Editing, a comprehensive guide to professional editing tools. Your all-in-one course to become a confident, job-ready video editor. From beginner-friendly apps like CapCut and Clipchamp to industry giants like Adobe Premiere Pro and DaVinci Resolve, this course covers it all. Edit seamlessly across all platforms. What you'll learn: how to structure powerful edits for YouTube, TikTok, Reels, and online courses. Master color grading, audio mixing, transitions, and visual storytelling. Create short-form content that goes viral. Edit course videos, build your portfolio, and even monetize your skills. Plus, we integrate the power of AI. Learn how to speed up your workflow with tools like auto captions, smart cutouts, AI background removers, and ChatGPT for scripting, brainstorming, and more. Led by professional editor Raheel, with over 4 years of real-world experience, you'll get step-by-step tutorials, downloadable files, cheat sheets, and quizzes to keep you on track. Whether you're a complete beginner, a content creator, or an aspiring freelancer, this course is built for you. No fancy gear required. Just your creativity and a willingness to learn. Join thousands of learners at Transform Academy, where we don't just teach editing, we transform creators into professionals. Enroll now and start editing like a pro.